Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can remove Google Maps reviews, so let's get right into it. Now, if you're the owner of the business that is getting those reviews, I'm not sure if removing them is within the terms of service of Google Maps, and also I'm not sure if you can actually do it. I don't have any businesses, so I can't really vouch for it, but you can go ahead and try to go into your business, find it on Maps, then go into reviews, and then see if you can remove them from there. Most likely you won't be able to remove it because, of course, the reviews need to be objective, and you can't pick and choose the best reviews. So if you think somebody is purposely maliciously leaving false negative reviews, you can contact Google support and they will be able to help you. However, other than that, I'm pretty sure the only method is to remove your business from Maps and then possibly set it up again. However, if you still have it on Business Center, it is going to keep those reviews, and I'm pretty sure with the data you use of your business, it'll stay with those reviews until the business is shut down. Now, other than that, if you are the person that left the review, you can very easily just find the business again, go into reviews, find your review, and you can go to the three dots in the top right, and you'll be pretty much set and able to delete that review that you've made. And that is pretty much it. Again, I'm pretty sure removing business reviews as a business owner is well, of your own business at least, is not allowed per the terms of service, because of course it needs to be objective, it needs to be community made, and you cannot edit community made posts. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.